Good morning, everyone. What's a lovely day, perfect essential for some solid content. Welcome to my channel. I'm Dylan. Have you noticed how flat roof buildings are becoming more common these days? These seemingly ordinary rooftops actually hold huge potential. Today, let's talk about the Ballasted solar mounting system designed just for flat roofs, the ULT Ballasted system. So, what's the biggest highlight of this system? First, it fits all kinds of roof environments. Second, and this is a big one, no driving needed. It completely protects your roof's waterproofing.
Come with me and check out the standard ULT Ballasted system foam foot, the BUF. It's a classic model we've been using for a long time. But after lots of real installation, our customer noticed one small thing that could be improved.
You got a problem? We fix it. That's how we roll. So, we've upgraded to a brand new foam foot, the ERK-BUS. This new BUS foam foot was born to be more efficient and more time-saving. If you face similar installation challenges in your project, or if you have any cool ideas, we'd love to hear from you. Alright, that's all for this one. See you in next video.
Bye!